Morning dear students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, today we are going to learn one more topic and that is earbud printing. Okay students, so now we will see what materials we will need for today's topic. As you all know, for base we will need a pad, a drawing paper, colors, color dish, bowls, most important earbuds, and some water and a brush. So students, these are the materials which we will need for today's topic. So students, as you all know, before starting with any topic we have to do margin from all the four sides. So now students, we will start drawing the margin with the help of the scale and with the help of the pencil. From 0 to 1 we will mark and we will start doing the margin. From all the sides we are going to take the same measurement, that is 0 to 1 measurement. Okay students, done with doing margin from all the four sides? Yes. Now it's time to write topic name. But students, today we are going to do our drawing in a standing position way. Okay. So now I'm going to write a topic name over here. And today's our topic name is earbud print. Okay. Done with our topic name? Okay. Now students, as I told you, we are going to use a standing way page of paper or your drawing book. And now students, you are going to take some earbuds like this, and with the help of the rubber band we are going to secure it. See, just like this, and make it one position. Okay now students, now here we are going to take colors and I am going to tell you which color we are going to take, and with the help of the color, with the help of the birds, we are going to make a tree. Okay. So students, we will need 6 colors. Those are red color, orange color, yellow color, green, blue, and last is purple color. So students, these are the colors which we will need for today's lesson. So these all colors I am going to remove in my dish, and then with the help of my with the help of my earbud, I am going to start giving it print on my drawing paper. Okay students, so now we will start removing all the colors in a color dish. Don't remove the much amount of the color, remove less amount only. If we will need more, then we will take. Okay, but before that we will remove only small amount of the color. The red color I'm going to remove it with the help of the brush because I'm taking it from the watercolor. Now students, only little means only 1 drop of water you will add in every color, and with the help of the water you are going to mix the color. So you are going to just add little amount, means only take 1 drop of water to mix all the colors. See students, as you all can see, I have taken only one drop of water to mix the color. If we will need more, we will use more color. After mixing one color, make sure you are washing your brush properly 2 times, one in clean water and one water which you are using to mix your color. The color should be thick, it should not get much water in. So make sure your color is little thick only. Okay students, done with mixing all the colors. Now it's time to start with the drawing. Okay. So take your paper, and students, we are going to leave some space at down, and from up we are going to start giving the print of our earbuds. Okay. So students, the first color which we are going to take is red color. So take your earbud, just dip your earbud in a red color, just like this, leaving some space at the down. With the help of the earbud, start giving its print, just like this. Don't go out of the border, just give it in the inside of the border. Okay students, done with red color. Now the same side we are going to use orange color. We are not going to change the earbud side. The same color we are going to give with the help of orange color. You have to mix the orange color little bit in the red color. Just like this. Now students, we are going to take yellow color. For yellow color we are going to change the side. For yellow color we are going to take the other side, and with the help of the yellow color we are going to give its print on the top. Okay. Mix the yellow color little bit in the orange color also. So students, done with red color, done with orange color, done with yellow color also. Now it's time to take green color. Before taking green color, the yellow side we are going to little bit deep in the water, and with the help of the cloth we are going to wipe it. So little bit yellow color will get out of the earbud. See, like this. Now students, we are going to take green color. The same way we are going to do, we are going to dip our earbud in a green color and we will start giving its print on a paper. See students, done with green color also. Now students, our two more colors are remaining, that is blue color and purple color. So for after green color we are going to give blue color, and after blue color we are going to give purple color. So again students, we will just dip our earbuds in the water and with the help of the cloth we are going to wipe it. Means the excess little color should get out, because we don't want to waste our more earbuds. Okay. So now students, we are going to take blue color and we are again going to start stamping it on a paper. The same way we are going to do, we are going to just mix it with in a green color also. Be careful, the color should not go outside the border. See students, done with a blue color also. Now it's time to a purple color, and the purple color we are going to give it in the end. Okay. Now students, at the end we are going to use purple color. Be very careful at the end, because the space is very less and your color may get out of the line. So be very careful at the end. Mix the purple color in a blue color also. So students, done with this much. Now students, it's time to show the branch and the stems of a tree. Okay. Now we will see how we can show the branch and the stem of the tree. Students, wait for some time so our color will get completely dry. Then only start giving, with the help of the black color, start giving the branch and the stems. But wait, so our color should get completely dry. Then only start doing with the further process. So students, as our color is getting dry, we will start giving it outer border of the tree, and then our color will get, we will start giving it color with the help of black color. So now students, we will start drawing the outer layer of the tree. Okay. So students, as you all can see, I have drawn the outer layer of the tree. Now with the help of the black color, I am going to fill the gaps which are there in a tree. Okay. But I will wait for some time so our color will get completely dry. So students, the color is completely dry. Now with the help of the black color, I am going to start coloring the tree. I am going to use black color. So students, you will also use black color only. Students, first make the border, then only start coloring. Then only you will come to know how you want to color it. If you will not make the border and you will start coloring it, you will not know where you have to take your stem. So first make the border and then start giving its color. And students, you are going to use the same colors which I have told you. Make sure your color is dry, otherwise your hand may spread your color. So make sure it's completely dried, then only start it. So students, as you all can see, our earbud print is completely done. Yes or no? Yes. The students, now the same way you are going to do, and you are going to send it to me. Okay? The same homework you are going to do. With the help of the earbud, you are going to do the same design. So students, first we took red color. Yes. Then we took orange color. Orange and red color, we mixed it inside, in between. We mixed it. Yes. Then we took yellow color. Same way we did yellow color and the orange color, we mixed them. Then we took green color, then blue, and at the last we took purple color. And these all print we did with the help of a earbud. Yes or no? Yes. And after that we took black color. With the help of a brush, we showed its tree and the stems. So students, now for your homework, as I told you before also, you will do the same way. Okay, you're not going to change the color or not going to change the shape or design. The same way you are going to do, and you are going to send me. And students, when you will send me, you will write your full name, your standard and your division. Okay students? And you are going to do it the same way. Okay? Thank you students.